help some concrete contractors put in over 75 yards of concrete. They used a pumper truck. Just going to show you how we got it in. Well, today I'm helping out pour a big pour. And that's all wire on the bottom. And you can see the chairs. Got all plastic. On the sides they got the seal. I'm going to pour this whole thing today. And they got the pumping truck ready. Oh, we'll get that out of the way. Put everything right there because we're not going beyond the thing. Where do you want it? On that face, this one and that side of the way. These to slide it all around. So we're going to take a look in back of this pumper truck. Concrete truck goes in there and then it pushes it through. The height. You was high out there. Yep. Hey, don't make too big a hole, Steven. So we got the laser ramp right there. Finding his height.
Heads up on the
That's the height. Then he goes from that mark to this mark. Flattens it all out. Now he's got that line and that line over there. And now he goes between them. In the meantime, right after they both floated. So we're moving right along. Got it all done, finishing up over there. So that's it. We got in over 75 yards of concrete today. I'm going to talk a little bit about that job. They used a pumper truck because they had wire there, and you can't really use the wheelbarrows to get through. You'd be tripping over it because they had those chairs holding it up. And the pumper truck with the hose, they had those things that slid over the wire, so it was a lot easier, but they don't use them a lot around here. And back when I was in the union in the 80s, if we were doing a big warehouse, they'd still just back the truck up and they'd have 10 guys screeting it. It's the first time I ever seen a laser. You put pea gravel in there. When you use a pumper truck, you use pea gravel. And the new school is the vibrators they got, those little power vibrators. That helps a lot. So just a little video with the pumper truck. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck. Until next video.